Hi guys, this is Miss Johnson, and we're going to learn, do a new review on simplifying expressions. Okay, right here we have two expressions. What are expressions? Expressions they're mathematical sentences with a minimum of two numbers or variables and at least one mathematical operation. So here we have 8 plus 3 plus a. We have at least two numbers or variables, and we have at least one mathematical operation of addition. This one, we have 8 times b. We have at least two numbers or variables, and we have at least one mathematical operation of multiplication. So these two are expressions. When you look at a math expression that has an equal sign after it, it is no longer an expression, it becomes an equation. So that's the difference between an equation and an expression. So we're going to look at simplifying expressions. All right. So if we look in at the first expression, we see we have numbers and we have letters. The letters are called variables. What are variables? Down here it says it's a letter or symbol that represents a changing quantity or an unknown number. For example, in this expression, we have 8 plus 3 plus a. We don't really know what a stands for, but we know that it stands for something, so that makes it a variable. In this expression, we have 8 times b. We're not really sure what b stands for, but we know it stands for something. It represents some quantity, and that's why b is a variable in this expression. So when you simplify expressions, what you do is you combine like terms. So you take a look at the expression and you ask yourself, are there any terms that are alike that I can combine? So let's look at this one. We have an 8, a 3, and the letter A. 8 and 3 are both numbers, so we can combine those. Those are like terms. The A is by itself. There aren't any other terms that are like that A. If we look over here at 8 times b, the 8 is a number and the b is a letter. So they're both different. They're unlike terms. So we can't combine those. So this expression is simplified already. It cannot get any more simplified. But this one we can work on. All right. So go ahead to the next slide and answer the question and then move on.